You're going to love the 2013 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.